Hi, my name is Michelle Holmes, and welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Monday, July 28, 2008. In New Zealand, the trade balance figure showed only a slight change in June from May, posting a deficit of $200 million. Both exports and imports were down compared to May, which kept the trade balance similar to May's levels. Expectations were for a bigger deficit. In Australia, the NAB Business Expectations Index fell to -8 for the third quarter. That's the lowest reading since the June quarter of 1991, and the index is down 18 points in the past year. Falling consumer confidence, rising borrowing costs, and volatility in stocks are all weighing down business expectations. The GfK German Consumer Confidence Index fell to 2.1 for the August period, continuing its downward trend. It's the lowest level for the index since June 2003. The main gripe is inflation, and with the ECB hiking rates this month, consumer loans are now also going to be more expensive. The euro-dollar pair was continued its upward bounce seen the last two sessions, brushing off the weaker consumer confidence figure. The pair bounced off key support at 1.5650 last week. Today's action was pretty quiet, with the pair climbing around 70 pips from its session open to its intraday high. The dollar is being pressured by concerns over U.S. financial companies' losses and the reduced chance that the Fed will move to raise rates in September. In the UK, housing prices were down 4.4% in England and Wales compared to a year ago, according to HomeTrack. That's the deepest annual decline the survey has experienced since its inception in 2001. For the month, prices were down 1.2% in July compared to June. It's the 10th straight month of declines. The pound-dollar pair hit a session low of 1.9850 overnight following the weak housing report. However, as overnight trading gave way to the New York session, the pair climbed 120 pips to test the 1.9970 area. U.S. stocks opened weaker on Monday. The Dow Jones Index was down 150 points in early afternoon trading as oil prices jumped. Risk aversion stopped the dollar-yen pair at the 108 level. Resistance held, and the pair fell to 107.40 by 1 p.m. Eastern Time. One pair where there was greenback strength was the U.S. dollar-Canadian dollar. For the fifth session in a row, the pair climbed higher, testing 1.0225, the highest set in early July. Since testing parity last Tuesday, the pair has rallied 225 pips, mainly on falling oil prices, one of Canada's main exports. Tonight, Japan releases data on household spending, retail sales, and unemployment. New Zealand will post its number of building approvals, while Australia reveals its leading index. Overnight, Germany posts preliminary CPI data for July, Switzerland reveals its UBS consumption indicator, and the UK releases data on mortgage approvals, consumer lending, and a survey of retail activity. Tomorrow morning, the US will post reports on housing prices and consumer confidence. That wraps it up for the day in Forex News. Join us here again tomorrow at cmsfx.com.